Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to try this new Silver Lollipop and Grow Garden game of Roblox Trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Silver Lollipop looks like, and before I apply it to my pet, I'm going to show you how you can get this Silver Lollipop. Alright, to get the Silver Lollipop, you can join the trade event right here. You can trade your fruits and then you will have possibility to get this Silver Lollipop as reward. And it's pretty rare. As you can see, we can get it from streak 7, I mean. Start from the streak 7. And it's pretty rare, and luckily I could get this level up lollipop, the Silver Lollipop, and I'm going to apply it to one of my pets. Let's apply it to the wait, I'm going to apply it to this lemon lion. Just click on the pet like this and you will have pet boost confirmation. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and it can apply level 5 boost. Let me click on my lemon lion. Okay, and yeah, it can give boost to our pet. Okay guys, and that's all about the Silver Lollipop and Grow a Garden game of Roblox trader event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.